This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Brenda Fisher. You have always heard location. 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 Just listed in Courthouse Square. And minutes to shopping, hospital and work. Nice corner lot with open floor plan. Fireplace to enjoy chilly nights. Stainless appliances convey. Wood floors in living room and dining area. Upstairs you have a nice loft area, would make nice place to study or second little den. Laundry room upstairs, convenient to all rooms. Primary bedroom has ensuite with soaking tub and separate shower. Walk-in closet. Don't wait, call today for an appointment. For more information, review the details below.